In today's video, I'm going to teach you organized schoolwork in ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, structured setup for tracking classes, assignments, and deadlines using a ready-made template in ClickUp. We'll keep it simple, fast, and focused so you can start managing your schoolwork right away. First, open ClickUp and head into the workspace where you already keep your school-related items. Locate the space you want to use for organizing your coursework. This is the container that will hold your lists, tasks, and views. Make sure you're in the right space so everything lands exactly where you expect. Next, open the space settings by clicking the three dots next to the space name. This menu is where you can make space level changes. We'll use it to bring in a pre-built setup instead of building everything from scratch. From that menu, choose Apply a Template. Templates are one of the easiest ways to get a fully structured system in place fast. You'll see a library of options. In the search bar, type School Schedule. This filters the results to templates designed for classes, assignments, and weekly planning. Browse the results and open a preview. Take a moment to scan what's included. Lists for different classes or time periods, statuses for your workflow, and any custom fields like subject, due date, or priority. If the preview matches how you like to work or is close enough that a few tweaks will do the trick, select it to continue. Before you apply the template, make your edits. Rename it to something clear and specific so you recognize it later, like Spring Semester Schedule or simply School Schedule. Adjust statuses to match your process. For example, if you prefer fewer steps, remove anything you don't need. If there are extra lists or placeholder items, trim them so the structure mirrors your actual courses. You can also customize fields if the template supports it, keeping only what's useful to you. When your edits look good, confirm and apply. ClickUp will add the lists, tasks, and views into your chosen space. Give it a moment to complete. Now you're ready to use it. Replace any sample items with your real classes and upcoming assignments. Set due dates so everything appears in your calendar and workload views. Consider light tagging or color coding to make subjects pop, and keep the names of lists and tasks consistent so they're easy to scan. That's it. You've successfully organized schoolwork in ClickUp using a template, customized it to fit your workflow, and set yourself up for a smoother, more predictable study routine.